Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtiwada. In this video, we will learn what exactly the code looks in Next.js and React code once we run in development environment. And I also discussed about React versus Next.js in my introductory video, where React is a library which is focused on the UI, where Next.js is a framework which already has inbuilt features like routing, form submission, backend connectivities. Everything is possible with Next.js, but React requires third party details or third party libraries to achieve this. So how exactly it looks when we come across SEO, that is search engine optimization code or server side rendering. So let me go into the code where we are running this Next.js and React code. So this is my Next.js code which is running at localhost 3000, and this is my React code which is running at localhost 3001. So let's see how they are looking like as a basic application. They are like default application. I didn't wrote any of the code inside that. So this is my Next.js application and this is my React application. So if you just go and view the page source, you can see all the codes. For example, you can see all the node module stuff, and also you can see hello world. So whatever we are writing inside our code, we are able to see that whole complete data over here, which helps us for our search engine optimization. So whereas in React, it is a single page application. Let me go into the view page source, and you cannot see any of the code which is present. For example, you have an image and you have this text. Let me copy this text and search here. So nothing is visible on the browser. So it is not a default server side rendering. So that's why we have to enable that externally in React JS application, whereas it is provided by default in your Next.js application. That is, server side configuration or server side rendering is by default in Next.js. But if you want to do that in React, you have to do some extra libraries, you have to introduce some set of code. All this we have to do in our React application. So this is a very big difference. That is why React is called only a single page application, whereas Next.js is a full stack development application. So even Next.js provide that single page application features. Along with that, it has some extra features like server side rendering, routing, and all that. But React doesn't have by default. So this is the code difference where you can see, especially on the search engine optimization and server side rendering between Next.js and React code. So just I want to tell you how exactly this works in this video. So this is how it works, and that's it for this video. In the upcoming video, we will see more about Next.js and all the features provided by Next.js. Stay tuned for this series. That's it for this video. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.